Morashi Tahsil, Ranjit Disle has won the prestigious Global Teacher Prize and became world's best teacher. A proud moment for the country.
And the winner of the Global Teacher Prize 2020 is Ranjit Desale from India. Oh, and look, there's your whole extended family now. It's wonderful. Oh, my dear fellow, I can...
London-based and UNESCO's Walkie Foundation has awarded the son of Solapur, Ranjit Singh Disle, with the prestigious Global Teacher Prize Award for his revolutionary work in the field of education. He is awarded for promoting girl education and applying QR code system for the textbooks and making them edutainmental. Ranjit Singh Disle is a teacher of Paritewadi School and has been serving for the school for the last 1 decade. He is a techno-savvy and energetic teacher who has become the friend of students for his amiable personality and continuous efforts for the sake of students. Disle sir has taken a lot of efforts to achieve this milestone and finally he succeeded in it. WhatsApp English News interacted with Mr. Ranjit Singh Disle Guruji.
It was really biggest surprise, and I'm really proud of being a first Indian teacher who became the global teacher, who was the recipient of Global Teacher Prize 2020. I must thank the founder of this award, of this foundation, Mr. Sunny Wake, who has set up this platform not only to recognize not only to me but the teaching profession and its partner UNESCO for recognizing teachers in this incredible way. Teachers never get such a recognition in such a manner they are giving. The media exposure and the prize money, can you believe that it's all about $1 million? You might heard the $1 million given to the Hollywood stars or the TV stars, but not for the teachers. This is the single largest award, and that is considered as a Nobel in its kind. So I'm very much happy to be the first Indian to receive that award.
What efforts have you taken to reach this milestone, and what are the feelings now?
There are multitude of ways I try to innovate, to create, to become, to change the status and the scenario of my schools. There are multiple ways like QR coded textbook project, then the virtual field trip, then we had a Skype-a-thon project where my students do regularly interact with the students from other countries. They share their feelings, emotions. They like to know about their language and everything about their companion from the other countries. So it's more about sharing and growing.
So you have shared the prize, 50% prize to your competitors, like colleagues. So what was the reason behind it?
Teachers are moreover like they work for the outcomes, not for the incomes. And by sharing, it's sharing ultimately turns into the growing. So I believe sharing is growing, and that's why I decided to share that prize money with the rest of 9 finalists. This is just because by sharing, I can help the millions of students from 9 countries as well, and this will be just like a boost for the 9 teachers. Their voice should be respected, is respected, and their innovations are not less than mine. So I believe that I'm just the first among the equals, not like I'm the best among those top 10 teachers. I'm just the first among the equals, and that's why I decided to share the 50% of prize money with them.
So my last question to you is, what is QR code and what contribution have you made in terms of this one?
QR code is defined as a quick response code where you can, when you find out those QR codes in a textbook of Government of Maharashtra, let's take an example of fourth standard textbook, you will find out multiple of QR codes. You need to scan them using any scanner app or the Diksha app, and there you will find out the digital content related to that concept or that chapter. Let's just like video or the audio or the PPTs or any other images or the reference material. It might take you to the other website as well. So this is like a compact learning experience for the students. So I did it at my school, then tried to pilot this project in 300 schools in Maharashtra Tahsil, and then I proposed to the state government of Maharashtra to initiate that project so that thousands and millions of students could benefit from it.
By the way, what is your future plans?
Currently, we are more focusing on the project of Let's Cross the Borders, where we will be making a peace army, forming a peace army of 50,000 students by 2030, where we will be achieving sustainable development goals. So currently, we are working on that project.
Normally, rote learning or rote teaching method is followed, but you have taken different steps. So, what made you to do this?
It's the students or the learners of 21st century have their different learning styles. You cannot teach them using the chalk and blackboards. So their style of learning is completely different than ours. So more you innovate, more you become the creative, the more they respond to you in much better way. So I just more focus on the creativity aspect of my teaching, so that it could spark their curiosity and make them innovative problem solvers, so that they could contribute to the community.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
He has been awarded with rupees 7 crore cash prize, and the most important thing is that he had shared 50% of the total prize with the 9 competents of the final round. Disley sir has made the countrymen and the fellow teachers of India so proud with his outstanding achievement in the field of education. He is the real gem of our country.